may master. Ano siya? Parang maniwalas. Parang mas importante na.
Bye! Come again. Bye-bye.
Okay, it's okay, as you say.
It's nice to watch at after. Level? Wala lang Enzo dito. Wala si Enzo, wala si Pai. Yeah, no, it's nga, yun lang. But
Good.
yeah, I'll let you know later. I'll make kwenta how much. Oh, there. O nga, no, apat na. They have to make sundo.
Bye.
1, 2. Okay, bye. Bye-bye. Wait, you want to play or rest?
Tayo! Right? Oh!
What? Cramps?
Time out!
Pause?
Okay. Stop! Balik kami. Sige.
Okay ka lang? Oh. It's our first time here to see that. No, may mga bintana, tinakpan nila. Kasi nakakasilaw. Yeah, good idea. The last time we were here, pag nag-lob, hindi mo makita yung bola. Pati yung windows, kinover na nila.
So may bukas doon. Pwede natin lagay yung bookmate natin.
Ano group pa natin? Classmates? Wala.
So first time nyo?
No, third. Once at night, then one in the day. We were invited by Guada's group. And then now we tried kasi walang court sa Rebel. But it's nice here. It's just, yeah.
Yung lang dito, pagpapasok.
Yeah.
Pero basta ano lang naman, just follow yung ano.
Yeah, the road, yeah.
After that, pag lampas mo dito, medyo na.
From here, 10 minutes na lang house namin. Yeah. But going here, mas malayo. Going here, 25 minutes. Going home.
Convenient for you
Yeah.
pick up si, ano, yung son mo, diba?
No, Savior siya. No, my son's near Rebel.
Ah, okay. So, like, ngayon, may class na sila.
Yeah, so iba driver namin.
Ah,
Oh,
okay.
good.
Okay.
Yeah.